Alright, what's up guys? So my day my name Route 66. We decided to try a restaurant today. So far we're enjoying the food down here, but we decided to try a restaurant and not the buffet tonight. As you can see, Shan told me earlier she kind of mash up, come just swap her up in the bowl, isn't it? So yes, you can continue. Is it Latoya or Natoya?
Latoya.
Okay, thank you, Latoya.
You're welcome, sir. Yes, we do. We have a cheddar soup that is really good. Cheddar soup.
Cheddar as in cheese?
Yes.
You have anything else warm?
Warm?
Yeah, she's feeling a bit.
You like some tea?
Thank you.
Soup for you, sir?
Yes, thanks. So yeah, so as I was saying, Sean kind of mash up, so she get look at tea for kind of build back up our system. But you know that guy already. But she have a look at tummy ache and thing. So although I have fun and everything, she's been having a one and two little vibes today because her foot and now her tummy. Hopefully nothing else. But well, I'm just go in for the review now. So far, I love this place. It was a bit tricky at first because I never liked the customer service initially. It's a weird thing because here it started off so well. We came in, we joined the line. Someone came and took us out the line and told us that because we are star, them other make we get like we think expedited. So big up Omar, O'Shane, big up yourself O'Shane, is me, and everybody else who treat you like the privilege. I love that. But you have a few people, well there was one particular incident I had at the bar. Well, a couple times when we go to the bar, it's like it takes so long for you to get liquor, yeah. Same thing she experienced. Somebody tell me say them soon the mugger serve me a liquor and they go around one corner and just never come back, and I say, yo, that's not cool. If you not serve me, just tell me I can find somebody else, enough bar there or whatever. So yeah, I never like that. And I never like a receptionist where she tell me say she soon get to me, like I can get to you in 1 second. I'm gonna wait there for like 15 minutes and she never pay me no mind. I must talk to the next lady and I just get through so quick. So yeah, I don't like them two things there, or three things or whatever. But we're not dwell on that. Overall, you can give yourself probably a 8 out of 10 or a 9 out of 10. It's just because of the little miss up make me not go into the 10 out of 10. And the other thing is that the beach kinda rocky and it have sea urchin, you need to clean that up. But overall, I can go in. But the food, I give the food a 10 out of 10. I love the food. You see me in the food department, 10 out of 10. In terms of the room nice as well. I don't have an issue with the room. I know the best room because we got better rooms, but the room nice. I don't have no complaint about it. I like the fact that them give with the iron, the steamer instead of the iron. That's very convenient. And Shan love it. She had decided to get one for herself too. The line for room service kind of hard to get. But as I say, I'm not dwell on the negatives. I just show our vibe. So if you not come, I don't know what to expect. But overall, it's a good hotel. I love it. I love here, and I definitely want to come back. I want to try one of them trips where I see Rush do. Because we buck up in a Rush as well. I don't see him in the vlog. But yeah, Rush come here and him spend a whole time by himself. That's dope. That's pretty solid. I don't know if he must go through something or what, but I just think that's very interesting, isn't it? And one of them days I may try something like that.
He does that all the time. He likes to do that, right?
The same like to do that. Yeah, me like them things that too.
Always meet people.
Yeah, we go there kind of dark, you know. But yeah, you don't know. But enjoy ourselves. I keep on looking on the screen up there. But I don't know, guys. Thanks for being here. As I said, overall, love the vibe, love the energy, love the place. Buck up in a couple of my friends them. I say like 3 of my friends them since my day. Shane, big up Wicked, big up Richard Dean, big up everybody. Well, I enjoyed the lockdown, you see me? Because you don't know, we have to figure it out one way or another. I say my girl, I take time, I create Carla come around, so I just open up my arms and let her in and look there.
Yeah, man, that's what
I was gonna say, bye guys.
Wait guys, I can't say bye yet. Me never really buck up in a nobody. Well, I buck up in Mel, big up yourself Mel.
Style, man.
But other than that, I come here and meet all the people and you know the vibes good and all the places wonderful guys. I must say that. I give them back. I love the bowling, all of them love lazy river they call for them.
Yeah,
Yes.
lazy river nice. Anytime we go hotel, always visit the lazy rivers. Them nice. I'm just chill, especially if you're there with, if you just want to relax.
It's nice, yeah.
Nice, man. Therapeutic.
And like, what else?
Thank
I
you.
eat my bread and my butter now.
Tadisha. That's how you pronounce it?
Yes, sir.
Stomach
That's a
ache.
nice name.
Yes, thank you.
yeah, come back.
I don't know why I'm a
Yeah, go
smoker
back on this
hurt me, but yeah.
Alright.
So guys,
Thank you.
party I keep tonight. I'm alive. I did it. I'm direct. I'm not telling you. Man, my trust here in full gear, ready for the party.
Today I had a sing on party, but I don't really care that much about party because maybe not social distance long before COVID, isn't me? I'm still a social distance, but yeah, me come out to enjoy myself because she want to do it, but you don't know. I see my day have to spend time with, so that's all that matters to me. Party at the least.
So yes, so I'm not cut on, I'm going to say I did cut him, but
You know Jamaican people state, I'm not cut you, but I'm going to cut you.
him take some bad ass picture from me. When I look on them, I say yeah. Even the one when I hurt my foot pan, picture shot. Picture there, I have to go frame it. I remember say I eat my hurt my foot.
So for the tea, we don't have any peppermint, but I brought the chamomile and the Earl Grey.
What?
The choice, the Earl Grey and the chamomile.
Oh, you bought come on.
What's Earl Grey?
Okay.
What type of tea is this?
Now I'm going to drink tea, because my belly is hurting me.
It's like a bush.
This is pure, come on.
Okay.
Here's your hot
Chamomile.
water.
Okay.
You're welcome. Leave this right here for you. Coming back to take your orders, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
So yes, I'm going to drink my tea. And yeah, it's a lovely experience. It's a great time. And on the forward here, it's nice. You're going to enjoy it. Trust me. So, baby, to tell them bye.
I'm going to try my cheddar soup, guys.
Yeah,
I've never had cheese soup, but I'm going to try it right now.
Cheddar.
So, you don't know wish me luck. If you want to see me on news later, I don't know where we're going.
Oh, okay then. We're not going to know where we're going, guys, and I'm not going to bring that pan news.
But we did enjoy the stay. You don't know, always have a little argument, but a little vexation. But we made it through, we made it this far. Hopefully we'll make it to tomorrow.
Okay.
But you know thing already. Bussweh.
Chanel. How long y'all can say your name?
Cheese soup.
So bye guys. Hi guys. I'm here. Not so long wake up and getting ready. So go have breakfast and also to view other places at the resort and to capture some nice scene of just us enjoying ourselves and all of that. So far it has been an extremely, how to say no, good, nice time.
No.
I say we have whole party yesterday and Leon met me say he danced last night. So guys, I still have him up for that. Drop my make, but yeah. It's loads of fun. We went bowling. So guys, as you can see, me and Leon here, we are bowling and currently with tag. So that's Chanel and that's Leon. And we are bowl. So far we look not good, but I could see what go and feed big spinner, you know. I could see what go and feed bowler. All of them there, all of them. Let's just see it. There he goes. And he's off. And it looks like it's in the gutter. But oh, you got one. You got one, babe. You got one.
You can do it. Wow, that one the lazy there. The ball good stop from before it reach.
A tree left. That was awesome. First time Leon was bowling. He did a good job. He won. And yeah, we had fun. We watched people in water dance. I don't remember the correct name, terminology for it.
Synchronized swimming.
Yeah, synchronized swimming. So yes guys, I will meet up bare people. So I'm at the bar and I'm having a drink. You know, me not like liquor, so this is strictly non-alcoholic. This is mango daiquiri. Hi. Tell them your name.
Peanut. She a drink mango daiquiri when she's outside of the protein.
Oh God. No slow. And that is also Kimberly over there. Kimberly. She has treated us so nice from we got here. Yes, I must say.
Hold on, let me tell you. Kim is from the lobby bar. Peanut is from entertainment.
Yes.
Tell them about to show them.
That's true. She said she has sing a karaoke. And that's what I tell you.
Which song you sing a karaoke? Which song you sing a karaoke?
I've made it through the wilderness.
Somehow she make it through. I sing. When I was young, me and my mama had beef, 17 years old, kicked out on the street. She beat me behind and me never get no trouble again.
So guys, I need to check it out. I need to hear her sing, alright? I know, it's just loads of fun. So, we have a good time, we must say that. And you all can see my outfit. I'm looking beautiful as always.
Yeah guys, so as she said to you a while ago, yesterday was really fun. We just woke up and realized we kind of missed the party last night, but we have lots of fun, so I guess you win some and you lose some. But this morning now we're gonna try to do some cinematic shots. Well, the place did cool and nice this morning, but the sun looked like it hot now still, so I don't know. Make us see what go on. If we don't do it this morning, then in the evening we'll do it. But we're gonna look breakfast now because we're kind of hungry. And maybe just kind of feel out the place some more, see if we can get some more shots of the place and of Shan in her beautiful outfit, as you guys saw a while ago. And I don't know what else we do still, but we just have to have fun. You see me? Whatever we do, I could just be something fun. I will try to capture it. We're not gonna get everything, but I'll try to get as much as we can. You see me? So hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Remember to click like, remember to comment and subscribe.